let's solve this together. It says x plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 6. We're required to solve for x and y in this question, okay? Now, the first thing we can do here is to say, from equation 2, we have that x is equal to 6 over y, okay? So substituting x as 6 over y in equation 1, we have 6 over y plus y is equal to 6, okay? Now let's multiply each term here by y. We have y times 6 over y is 6 plus y times y is y squared to be equal to 6 times y, which is 6y, okay? Now, next thing we can collect this to the left hand side. So we have that y squared minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in y, okay? And this is a quadratic formula. We have that y here will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, okay? Alright, moving on from here, we now have that our y will be equal to minus 6 is 6 plus or minus square root of negative 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times 6 times 1 is minus 24, okay? All over 2 times 1, which is 2. And this becomes equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 24 is 12 divided by 2. This becomes equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4 times square root of 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 3 plus or minus root 3. It's our value for y, okay? But we can say, but recall that x is equal to 6 over y, okay? So finding x, we substitute the values for y in this equation, okay? Right, moving on from here, we now have that our x is equal to, when y is 3 plus root 3, we have 6 divided by 3 plus root 3, okay? Now this is an irrational denominator. So rationalize this denominator, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of 3 plus root 3 is 3 minus root 3. So multiply the numerator by 3 minus root 3 and multiply the denominator by 3 minus root 3. Okay? Now, this becomes, alright, so this becomes 6 into 3 minus root 3 divided by 3 plus root 3 multiplied by 3 minus root 3 is something as 3 squared minus root 3 squared, okay? This becomes 6 into 3 minus root 3 multiplied by 3 squared is 9 minus root of 3 squared is 3. So this becomes 6 into 3 minus root 3 divided by 6, which gives you 3 minus root 3 as the answer, okay? So when x is 3 minus root 3, y is 3 plus root 3, which invariably tells us that when y is 3 minus root 3, x is 3 plus root 3. Hence, the values for x is also 3 plus or minus root 3, okay? And y is also 3 plus or minus root 3, alright? So that becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.